Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make dynamic histograms. This time I'm looking at the balance, which is a continuous value. I want to make it to a discrete value through the a specific bin size. So I right click, then go to create, then bins, and change it to 5000. Now I have a new dimension, which is balance bin. Drag and drop it over columns. For the rows, I look at the number of records, drag and drop it here. If you want to change the size, you can right click over balance bin, edit, and change it to 10,000. So let's make different colors. I press Ctrl, then select some number of records, drag and drop over color. If you want to change the color, you can go to edit color, select different pattern of colors that you are more interested in. So we can change frequency to percentage. What can you do? Over number of colors, right click, you right click, then go to quick table calculation, then select percent of total. As you see now, I have the percentage on the left side. You can change the axis title. So again, right click, edit axis. So instead of total number of records, maybe percentage of customers, because here we are talking about customers of a specific bank, or any name that you are more interested. For having dynamic histogram, we need to specify different bin sizes. Basically, we need to create a parameter, and that parameter is dynamic when we select different bin sizes and we see different shapes. How? I right click on the measure and select create parameter. I can name it as balance bin, data type integer, it's a range, current value maybe 10,000, minimum 5,000, maximum maybe 25,000, and step size 5,000. Then right click over the new parameter that created down here, select show parameter control. So now I have a parameter control. I can, as you see, when I click on the arrows, I have different bin sizes, but now I need to associate this new created parameter to the histogram. So for associating the bin sizes to the parameter, I right click over balance bin, edit, and for size of bin, I click on the cascade arrow and select the balance bin, which is name of new parameter. Then OK. Then look at the right side. I change the bin size and I see different histograms. Okay, that's for now. See you in the next video.